All right, today we're using the rocket stove to cook on. So basically what you do is you find a bunch of dry wood, kindling, and you stuff it full, and then you can feed it in here in the bottom, and the air being sucked up through the rocket through the center is why they call it a rocket stove, because as you can see the flames go down into the stove, and once it gets going the coals build up. You just keep feeding the little twigs to it and you can cook about anything you need to right off of it. So we're going to cook some hamburgers here. Stick around.
Steak burgers.
Steak burgers. Yes, sir. Alright, so we are going to cook some steak burgers on these things, hopefully. Cast iron takes a few seconds for it to get heated up.
What kind of camper are you?
I got it. I have a knife somewhere, but I can't remember where. I have a flashlight.
It looks like they're cooking pretty good.
Yeah. As long as we can keep the fire going.
Yeah, we need a knife for these.
There might be a knife in the toolbox behind my
Can-Am.
Can-Am.
You got this right there.
Mm-hmm. And you just keep feeding it in. You just keep feeding the sticks in there at the bottom. So as you can see, hamburgers are cooking.
Yeah, it looks like they're going good.
And you just keep feeding the sticks in there as they burn.
Got a pot holder to pick that pan up? Oh, okay. I was going to say, if not, I got some gloves in the truck.
In the truck or in the Can-Am? I mean in the side-by-side.
Oh, what?
Side-by-side.
You know what is in there?
Your gloves. Didn't you say you had in the truck?
Yeah.
The truck is not here.
That's true. Got a good point there.
Confusing me, Bob.
So as they burn, you just keep pushing them in?
Yep.
Cool.
It's pretty.
That's good.
Yeah, they'll cook like regular hamburgers in a frying pan.
You have something to dry this with? Because this is
Dry it
in
on?
water.
Yeah.
My pants are wet. Everything I got on me is wet.
Like that. It's the only thing I had in there.
Oh, we needed some French fries
I forgot chips. Those should have brought some chips.
and some grease. You see that spatula? Smells good.
It's good. picky.
How long has that guy been in the woods there?
3 months that we know of.
3 months? Wow. You guys just stumbled on him, or?
Yeah. First time we met him, he came out talking all this crazy stuff. Hello, Earthling. We're from Mars, and there is no life form down here. Something crazy, stupid. So he thought we were there to
There's no intelligent life down here.
yeah, he sounds crazy. He was just being stupid.
He's a nice guy, though.
Trying to sound like a crazy man so we'd run away.
Pretty harmless.
Yeah. He didn't want to be bothered.
What was his story?
He didn't really tell us his story. He just wants to live like that. He thought we were going to report him to the law enforcement or something. But he's already talking to rangers. They've already run him. So he doesn't have any criminal record. Because I'm sure the rangers would have ran him already.
Oh, probably.
It's got to have an ID to drive that truck.
Yeah.
So he's like not totally off the grid, right?
Pretty much. He's off for something.
I gave him an idea. I said, hey, so we don't want nobody coming in this area right here. You should probably put up a brush wall. That way they can't see you from, you know.
Needs to conceal himself better.
Coming around the bend. But yeah. It's overcast now. Can't really dry my socks too good. They're almost dry, huh?
I think I got some tomato in here too.
I don't need any.
Got a couple of tomatoes.
I don't eat tomatoes
Well, we do.
or pickles. What I'd eat would be cheese.
Sorry, Bob. I didn't bring the cheese.
Or salt and pepper.
I brought mayo,
And
mustard, and some ketchup.
Okay.
That has enough salt in it.
Okay. Probably does.
It does. Bob, you thought you were coming to a 3-star, 4, 5-star restaurant. Well, I'm sorry, buddy. We're cooking on a rocket stove in the middle of nowhere.
That's all right.
A five-star restaurant in the middle of the wilderness.
Yeah. Larry's and Tony's barbecue.
There we go. It's still cooking away. Doing a good job.
And Larry got mud on his chin.
Nah, thanks to Bob.
I don't know how that happened.
Mm-hmm. From the very beginning.
Tomatoes cut up, buns cut up.
Hallelujah.
Do you have did you have one or two? Just one?
2 tomatoes if you want to eat it all. Might as well. You don't want to take any of the stuff back.
Yeah, might as well eat it. It's definitely not a knife like you see on TV.
Oh, but it does cut.
No, it shreds.
That's for sure.
It has
So
2
it's
sides,
a
Bob.
shredder knife.
It's 2 sides. It has the saw side and it has the sharp side. Let's see how I even brought bananas for dessert.
Banana.
Yeah, we got 2 bananas.
I'll throw up if I eat a banana.
What? What have you been eating all your life, Bob?
I can't eat 'em.
They're good in potassium.
That's good.
Hmm?
I'll swallow it. It would be. Won't do me any good.
Oh, look at that.
Still got a good fire going.
Yeah. Works good. See? Show it. Yeah, got a nice fire going in there. Just keep feeding it. Here they are. There's the hamburger cooked on the rocket stove. Delicious.